Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. If you love donuts or beignets, this recipe is for you. Italian Zeppole. They are so easy to make and so flavorful. Very famous as well. You're gonna make them literally with no effort. Let me show you how, and let's get started. To get them to be fluffy and light, follow all the steps. You're gonna start with 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. I add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna flavor with some spices. You can add the spices or you can leave them out just to warm up the flavors a little bit. You're gonna add 1 tablespoon of instant yeast and mix the dry ingredients well. The touch of spice consists of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Freshly grated nutmeg. I start adding the water. Tap water is fine. You want it to be a very loose dough. So about 1¼ cup of water is what I added at the end. And as always, I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. And because every flour is different, watch the consistency of the dough. You might need a little less or a little more water. You want it to be close to a thick batter, not a dough really. You can stop at this point, but I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of ricotta. Mix it in gently. It's gonna add so much creaminess and more flavor. I highly recommend you add it, fold it in. And that's it really. All you have to do is cover it and wait 2 hours. Two hours later, it should look like this. The only thing you shouldn't do is mess with it. You don't want to really deflate the batter. You're gonna fry right away in a hot oil. The oil should be between 325 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You need to keep it between these 2 temperatures. Scoop the batter using 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons and drop in the hot oil. Don't make them too big. More chances they won't cook all the way through. So make them small, fry in batches, and you're good to go. Flip them once or twice if they don't do it on their own. And if you're liking my recipes and want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. Follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. Fry until golden. You're going to place on a paper towel to drain all the extra oil. And you're going to dip in powdered sugar. Lots of powdered sugar. I add a touch of cinnamon to the powdered sugar for more flavor. How easy was that? And it's so delicious. Amazing with your cup of coffee or espresso. Satisfy your sweet tooth and make them today. These are best served right away. Fry, dunk in the sugar, and enjoy with your cup of espresso. I hope you give them a try soon. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit!